क्लास 12th में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल्स एंड इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल्स. It means the electrochemical changes that takes place in electrochemistry are of two type. One is electrochemical cell and another one is electrolytic cell. What are electrochemical cells? Means these are those cells in which the chemical energy of a molecule is converted into electrical energy, are called electrochemical cells. This electrochemical cell was first studied by John Daniel in 1836. So we can call Daniel cell. Daniel cell. For example, means electrochemical are those cells. It means in electrochemistry two type of changes: electrochemical changes and electrolytic changes. Electrochemical changes come under electrochemical cells, electrolytic changes under electrolytic cell. What is electrochemical cell? The cell which convert chemical energy of an electrolyte or substance into electrical energy is called Daniell cell. Is called electrochemical cell or Daniell cell. Clear? Most important electrochemical cell is Daniell cell. Zn, it have two electrodes, zinc, copper, zinc oxidized, copper reduced. What is electrolytic cell? It is one of this electrochemical cell has most important application in the everyday life for the generation of the electricity in your batteries. However, electrochemical, these are those cells which convert electrical energy generated into the chemical energy, and they have most important applications in the separation of elements, mean mostly metals. How precious metals and some reactive metals are separated? They are separated by the process that occur inside the electrolytic cells. Okay, now another one, David isolated an element potassium from molten potassium hydroxide. It is by the process of electrolysis. These electrolytic cells help in separation of various reactive metals in the periodic table. Means separation of the various metals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, ammonium, lithium, etc. Chlorine. These are various elements which we can separate by the process of electrolytic cells. Now we can come to the electrochemical cells. For example, Daniell cell. What this Daniell cell is made up of two glass vessels. Inside this glass vessel, it contains two electrodes. Another glass vessel, another electrode. This electrode have negative charge. This electrode have positive charge. This it means we can write it is made up of zinc and solution is zinc sulfate. It is made up of copper and solution is copper sulfate. In the form of Cu2 positive plus SO4 2 negative. Here zinc in the form of Zn2 positive plus SO4 2 negative. These two electrodes are connected with the help of salt bridge. And this salt bridge is made up of NaNO3 KOH ACL and NH4 ammonium hydroxide, potassium chloride or sodium nitrate salts, and this is called salt bridge, and this make the help in joining of the two glass two solution, that is zinc sulfate and copper sulfate. Now this solution is externally joined with these two solutions are joined with the help of key and ammeter. In this, what we can find, the salt bridge make cation and anion in the balanced state. It maintain the electropositive and electronegative ion, and again this salt bridge give the mobility of the positive charge called cation and negative charge called anion. Means mobility of positive charge we can call cation and negative charge called anion. Now how this electrochemical cell work? It work since negative charge is here, electron flow from anode to cathode. Electron move from anode to cathode. Now, where is anode? This is anode, and this is cathode. Okay. Now, another one. Since electron and current have opposite charge, there is flow of current in this direction. The current can be flow from cathode to anode. There is flow of current from whenever we can start the working of the electrochemical cell. in electrochemical cell, anode is on the left hand, cathode is on the right hand. There is flow of current from cathode to anode, and electron move from anode to cathode, and this salt bridge maintain the electrical neutrality of the electrochemical cell. Now, how we can represent this electrochemical cell? This electrochemical cell can be represented in the left hand side. We can write anode, and right hand side we can write cathode. Number 2, the metal electrode. It means we can write anode on the left, cathode on the right. Now metal electrode can be separated from their ions by semicolon. Means when we represent copper and electrode from copper sulfate solution, it means we can write Cu in this form, or this copper electrode separated from their solution by a single vertical line. Number 3, salt bridge. Salt is represented by double vertical line. It means when we represent a complete electrochemical cell, that is zinc separated by zinc sulfate solution, there is salt bridge by double headed line, then copper sulfate solution, then copper metal. This is the complete representation of an electrochemical cell. Means on the left hand side we can write anode, right hand side cathode, metal and their ions separated by semicolon or single vertical line, salt bridge by double vertical line, and this salt bridge join the two vessels and maintain the mobility of cations. Means there is mobility of positive charge. Means KCl move, suppose inside the salt bridge it is made up of potassium chloride. Potassium move in this direction and chlorine move from anode to cathode in this direction. Okay. Now this, for example, we can take another example of the salt bridge. Now this is copper silver nitrate cell. Copper silver nitrate cell. In oxidation half, copper loses 2 electrons to gives Cu2 positive aqueous. In reduction half cell, silver gains 2 electrons to gives silver metal. This is the overall reaction. Cu2 positive plus 2 ice Ag gives Cu2 positive plus Ag solid. Now the complete cell is Cu2 positive aqueous separated by salt bridge. Then we can write Ag positive plus and Ag solid. This is aqueous. This is the complete representation. Oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction, it is overall reaction. This is overall reaction, and this is complete representation of copper silver nitrate cell. Thank you. Next हम पढ़ेंगे इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल्स.